Hey, Andy. So I have three watches that I was thinking about putting up for sale. Not because I don't like them, but simply because I don't wear them, and they're beautiful. So it'd be nice to see them on someone's wrist because I'm not really wearing them here. All of these are original in every way. Lume, if applicable. Case finish. Hands, colors, everything. I very recently rebuilt this one, 7546. What is it? Oh, yeah, 604A. So this one, it got everything that I could do. Lume is completely original. It's jeweled, fully serviced. It's rebuilt with all new with a crystal and all new seals. Doing the crystals on these is a real piece of work. But this has this magnificent solid stainless bracelet that these came with. They're just awesome. Just awesome. So it is and again, it's a bidirectional smooth turning sport diver, but it's the JDM version Silver Wave Kanji English. The next one I have is also JDM. Now, this was my personal watch. It is my personal watch. And I actually went and looked for this, like, hardcore, to find this very specific one. But again, I don't wear it very often, in part because it's not lumed, which is a silly reason not to wear it, but that's why I don't wear it. It is lovely, though. It's beautiful. Completely original case finish, completely original dial. This is one of the rare first variants that doesn't say Actis under the Seiko. Only the first year these were made had that. Everything else is everything else is original. Fully serviced 6306 with added upper and lower mainspring arbor jewels. Complete full-length bracelet, Seiko Actis. That's a beautiful watch with that gorgeous periwinkle dial. I so wish that they had snuck Lume in here somewhere. That's my only thing, because I like being able to read it at night. And lastly is one that I've had for a long time, and I love it, but I just don't ever wear it. This is a 6309 729, and it's completely original Lume. The best part about it, if you ask me, is the insert, the way that it's faded to the blue up on that one side. I don't know how that happened, but it's real and it's original. It's beautiful. All original Lume. This is the Y403 bracelet. Correct and original. Basically, this one's basically NOS. This was the bracelet that was used for the 7548s and the 6309s, and also the early, also the 7002 divers. Isn't that pretty? Any case, let me know if that's anything you're interested in. Just email me back at the email address. Okay, thank you.